All right, so here's a question I got from YouTube, right? Hey, Chris, I got a brand new Ridgeline. Every time I get in and out of my car, right, the seat moves back. Nice little courtesy if I can get in and get out a little easier. Well, what if I don't want that? Is there a way to turn that off? And yes, there is. Right now, I don't have a Ridgeline on the lot, as you know, they're hard to get right now in this market at the moment, but I have a Pilot Touring right here. Let me show you where that setting's at, okay? All right, so we got the vehicle on right now, just started right up. We're at the home screen. From home screen, we're gonna select settings. Then we're gonna select vehicle. And then you got your driver's position right here, set up. And then we're gonna go to the first thing, seat position. Movement on entry, right? Right now it's on. If I hit that off, the seat would not be moving back. And there we go, it's that easy.